Finding the main idea of a text begins with the title. The title of this article says, Snowstorm Sasquatch? Watch out for the Boston Yeti. Right away, I see two synonyms, Sasquatch and Yeti. Having both in the title makes me think that must be important. The title also clues us in to where the article takes place. The picture to the right tells me that this might be a nonfiction or true story. After taking a few minutes to read, I find out that these Yetis in Boston are just in hairy suits. I can infer that people in Boston are dressing up as Yetis during the snowstorm. And that is the main idea.